I'm still wondering, you love to swallow, you have food processor, you have blender, you have juice machine at home, and you don't eat fresh pounded yam. On this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to make fresh pounded yam using your food processor. So as you can see, I'm peeling off my yam. Once I'm done peeling the yam, I'm going to wash it up neatly and then put it in the pot, cook it until it becomes very soft. So like I said, you can use your blender for this fufu if you have good blender. If you have this trending juice machine like the ones I use on this platform, you can also use it to make fufu. I think I've made a video about it. I'm going to be linking it on this video. You can also use it to make fufu. Are you not tired of eating this yam fufu that mixed with potato, rice and all that, all in the name of yam fufu? If you're tired of eating such, I think this video is for you. Make sure you watch it to the end because you are going to learn how to make your own fufu. So guys, as you can see, I am washing the yam. Once I'm done washing the yam, I'm going to put it into the pot and allow it to cook until it becomes very soft. As an African girl, swallow is my favorite food. I love to swallow so much. Like, I can't go a week without eating fufu. So as you can see, the yam is really soft. I'm going to transfer it into the food processor and then I will blend it until it becomes smooth. On this part, you don't need to add water. Do not add too much on the food processor because we don't want to spoil the food processor. So cover it and then I'll blend it until it becomes very smooth. Like I said, don't add water on it because if you add water, it's going to be too soft. And if it's something you are going to keep, maybe you are going to eat it 2 days later, then you can add a little quantity of water on it. Guys, take a look at it. It really came out nice and very soft. It looked as if you pound it in the mortar or better than mortar with no stress. Like this generation, you still dey pound fufu with hand. You never tire. So I'm just going to clean it and then transfer it into this plastic foil and then I'm just going to wrap it around, allow it to cool down small because too much hot food no dey good. So just take a look at this fufu. I love the way it's stretching. Like it really came out nice as if I pounded it in the mortar or way better than mortar. So I'm just going to clean it into this plastic foil and then I'm going to wrap it, allow it to cool down for about 5 minutes so that I go fit swallow am. Then that is it. Your pounded yam fufu is ready. Guys, if you're going to be trying this, let me know in the comment section and help me to share this video if you like this video. Take a look at this. Within 5 minutes, I don't make fufu. Apart from say I cook am. So I'm just going to show you guys the soup I'm going to be using to enjoy this delicious food. I really love to swallow, guys. I'll just take off the plastic foil from it and then I'll finish it up with my draw soup. Almost this thing is set well. So guys, that is it. So are you going to try it with that food processor we get for house we know they use? Try it, you are going to love it. All right guys, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you like it. Let me know what you think in the comment section. See you all on my next one. The consistency is for me.